Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can add pronouns on your Instagram profile. Maybe you wanted to know on how you can add your pronouns in your Instagram profile, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add your pronouns on your Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, tap on this profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll see here the edit profile below your profile pictures. Tap on edit profile. And then in here, you'll see under your username you have your pronouns. Tap on the pronouns and simply type in your pronouns. For example, he or him. After that, you can turn this off if you don't want it to show to your followers. As you can see beside your name, here is your pronoun. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can add your pronoun in your Instagram profile, there's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can add pronouns on your Instagram profile, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.